Hey guys, welcome to your quick market update. Today is Friday, May 9th. The big news this week was the Fed meeting, of course, although it was not very eventful. They kept rates the same, which was expected, and also made comments that are typical for the Feds. They are waiting. In fact, Powell used the word waiting 22 times during his news conference after the meeting. He went on to say the costs of waiting are fairly low, and so that's what they're going to do. They're going to wait. But the Feds have explained many times that their actions have long and variable lags, which means if they were to cut, it would not even show up in the economy for at least another 6 to 9 months. I believe the Fed's making the same mistake they always make by waiting. They waited too long in 2022 to raise rates and inflation skyrocketed. And now they're waiting again. The Fed is currently restrictive by more than 1%, even after cutting 100 basis points since last September. Frustrating. A preemptive 0.25% drop in rates right now would help the markets and give them some direction, and the Fed would still remain restrictive. Come on, people. Let's make this happen. Anyways, we also had two big treasury auctions, the 10-year and the 30-year. There were concerns about more supply, but it really had little impact on the bond markets. The 10-year had a strong showing. 30-year was, a little bit weaker. With the new trade deal in the UK and big talks with China this week, I'm hoping that the tariffs could be moving away from the focus in the headlines, which would also help with inflation, inflation talks and things like that, and could help push rates lower. Next week, though, is going to be really important. All focus is going to be on the consumer price index and the producer price index. Many consider the consumer price index a better indicator or measure of inflation over the Fed's favorite indicator, the PCE, or Personal Consumption Expenditures report. Lower inflation numbers next week definitely helps rates move lower. So fingers crossed, baby. Thanks for watching, you guys, and have a great weekend. We'll talk to you soon.